Yo, today we gonna be installing the new taillights that we got for the G. They're actually in that box right now. I'm going to unbox them. I haven't. Alright, so I unboxed everything. This is basically what the lights look like. I'm gonna unwrap it a bit. I'm gonna actually take the originals off and then put those on. Came with all this wiring stuff. You know what I mean? So if y'all are interested in like the person who did do this, I'll probably like put his Instagram like on the top right or something, or he'll probably be in the description if y'all wanna get these two if y'all also have a G or something. But yeah, I'm gonna unwrap these. I'm gonna unscrew that and I'll be right back. All right, so basically what we're gonna have to do is, you see these little clips? They're basically standard on like G's and like Nissans and stuff. Basically open those up, and then I'm pretty sure I just unplug it, unscrew it, screw the new one in. Should be pretty easy. All right, so I took like all that extra stuff off, so I got more space to work with. You know, like I said, just pull this open, and basically you can see all that. So I'm pretty sure I just have to take off that bolt right there, the top bolt, and then that one right there, and it should just come off in theory. So I mean, I think I just disconnect this wire also, so should be good. So yeah, so I mean, you see these diode dynamics right here. I got this maybe like a year ago. I'm gonna have to basically take them off. And if you guys don't know what this does, basically it makes it so you use both of your lights to like blink when you're turning. It's a pretty like cool like sporty mod that people usually get in the beginning because it's pretty cheap. But yeah, I'm gonna take these off, then just unscrew those and then pop this thing off. So we got all the bolts off. That one's off, that one's off. Basically just 3 bolts. Unhook this and it should just slip out, so let's go try that. Alright, so this is what it looks like. You know, got one light off so far. I think what I'm gonna do is probably try to install the first one. Try to draw the wiring correctly. Hopefully it works, try it out, and then we'll just repeat the same thing for the second one. Alright, so we unwrapped the first light right here. See basically what it looks like. Back is like pretty much the same, but obviously there's like a lot more wiring in there. But if you were to compare, see this is the new one. That's what the old one looks like. So definitely these are gonna look crazy when they actually go in the car. So I'm gonna start trying to do that. I still don't know how the wiring is supposed to go, but we're gonna figure it out as we go. So. Alright, so we got it all bolted up. Oh, they're pretty like nice and tight. This is what it's like looking right now. So you know, you guys can kind of see it before and after. It's still not wired up. I still gotta do that. So this is probably like the hardest part, because it's probably, I don't know, some of you watching this might actually have already done this to y'all car, but I've never done this. I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, I mean, I was looking at the wires, so I'm guessing, definitely the small one. Definitely the small one goes probably with the other small one, I'm guessing. But I'm not sure. I guess this big one would go with that. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna see if I can figure out now, I'll let y'all know. Alright, so I think I got the wiring down, right? So basically, the 2 little things that came out the taillight, they basically, each one of them go into their separate driver. So the driver has 2 sides, the one that connects to the taillight and the one that connects back to the harness. So basically that one. And basically the harness kind of just acts at the dynamic tails turn mod that I had before. Just connects it to the harness, and then pretty simple. I was just kind of complicated because I didn't even realize that I needed to use 2 drivers per one, but I think we got to figure it out. So we're gonna try to start up the car, see if that light works, and hopefully it does. Alright, so I realized I didn't even have to start up the car. I could just hold down on the brakes. So, I mean, I think you guys just saw it does work. So I could just do it with the lock right here. Still see the old one over there working like that. But I'm gonna like test out all the tail strip and stuff and the blinkers and stuff after I have both of them installed. But at least, you know, they're working right now, so that's good. But yeah, I think I'm gonna tuck that in, put the clips back on for that side, clean it all up before I start working on the other light. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so clip those back on. That looks all clean now. Now, move on to this side. So I'm not gonna record that much for this light because it's kind of just the same thing as that one. But I'm not really sure how I'm gonna take all that off. Probably gonna have to switch that up. But basically those lights are also getting replaced. They're kind of dirty, but we're getting new ones anyways. So I'm gonna do that light, and then I'm gonna check in there, and then I'm gonna have to do those two on top. All right, we got both two lights installed now. I still gotta put the clips back on this, and then I gotta figure out how to remove that. But right now, this is what it's kind of looking like. I'm gonna do like a better video, like with the brakes, tails, the blinkers, all that stuff after I'm done with the whole thing, just so you guys could get like the full look. But basically, I just did like the same cable management stuff that I did over there. You know, plug in the taillights to the driver, and then the driver into the little attachment, and then that into the main harness. So literally whatever I did there, I just did the same thing over there. So right now I'm basically gonna work on these two lights, and I'm gonna see y'all after that. All right, so basically I think I figured it out. I just gotta take this off, kind of took it off a little bit, and then probably that clip right there, and there's a clip kind of over here too. That should give me access to like this little part of it, so then I'll be able to change that one. All right, so I unscrewed, you know, all three that I talked about, and I think I should just be able to pop it open. This part also comes out, I guess. Then yeah, so it should just be those three bolts right there, same as the other one. I believe I should have to take that wire off too. There's no halos specifically on the trunk lights. I believe it's just wrapped, so it'll just match with the other one. So I'm gonna do that right now. So basically, I'm having a hard time like taking this part off, even though I unscrewed pretty much everything. Everything unscrewed. I actually took the bulb out, which at first I didn't. I was trying to take it off, which is really dumb of me because I could have probably broke the bulb. But I unscrewed that, unscrewed all the bolts and everything, so it should come off. But the main reason it's not coming off is I don't know if y'all can see, kind of like it's kind of glued on. So I'm going to try to, I don't know, use like a knife or a screwdriver or something. Hopefully be able to take this off. Alright, so I got it off, but yeah, that's what I was talking about. This little like black kind of sticky thing, just kind of just like keeping it intact. So I'm gonna try to like scrape the rest of it off and like clean it a little bit before putting a new light on. But I mean, yeah, so we got that one off. I'm gonna record installing this one, and then I'm gonna just do the other one, and then I'll show you all the final product. All right, so I basically just like cleaned the sides a little bit. I ended up not scraping it all off because I think I actually do need this like sticky part so the other part can like bond and like fit properly. So we're leaving it like that, and yeah, basically we're just gonna put the new trunk light on like right now. So basically, all we really did, tighten those screws up like y'all saw. And then for the bulb, you just put it in and then twist it like once to the right, it'll go in. And then that wire is the only wire that goes into that trunk light. So that goes in, and then other than that, that's pretty much it. So basically, I'm just gonna repeat this for the other side. I'm not gonna really record it because it's kind of repetitive, but I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna show you how it's looking. All right, so we finally finished all the parts, all the installations, all 4 lights, and this is what the final look looks like. I'm probably gonna like do an actual like when I turn on the car and show the lights, but this is what it's looking like at the moment. That the car definitely needs a clean though. Definitely if I get it clean and polished, it'll definitely look a lot better. But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like when like the lights are on and stuff.